If you have new voicemail, you'll see a flashing red message waiting indicator in the top right corner of the phone. You'll also see an icon of an envelope with a number, indicating the number of new voicemail messages you have. To access your voicemail box, select the message button to the right of the navigation cluster. If this is the first time you're logging in, please refer to a welcome email that will include your default password. Select the message button to call the voicemail.
Please enter personal identification number, then press pound. You have one new message. Press star to play. Press 9 for options. To exit, press pound.
Select star to play.
Hey, Alex. Samuel Morse here. Give me a call. I've got a really exciting communication breakthrough I want to tell you about. Thanks.
Press 0 for next message. Press 1 for previous message. Press 2 to repeat current message. Press 3 to delete current message. Press 4 to call back. Press 5 to forward to another voicemail. Press 9 for options. To exit, press pound.
Select 3 to delete.
To delete message, press star. To cancel, press pound.
And press star to confirm.
Message deleted. End of messages. Press star to play. Press 9 for options. To exit, press pound.
Return the handset to the cradle or select end call to hang up.